Utah's online library, specifically Ebsco host. Dun, dun, dun. So first you click on this link, it takes you to Utah's online library. If you need to type in the username and password, it's right there, online school. Then you click on K-12 schools. Then you come over here and you click on Ebsco high schools. Then you can click on any of these databases. I usually just click on Explora. You can also click on all. Explora works for me. Then it's loading. Then you can do a variety of things. I just enter in whatever I'm searching for, such as hurricanes and climate change. That's what I want to look at. Search. Then you can, you can over here, you can restrict what you're looking for. But let's say I like, I don't know, I make sure it has a full text. So I'm going to look up smart adaptation in an era of rising climate risks. Okay, so I pull up this article. I look at it. And oh, it's kind of long, but it has some good graphs. I think I could use this. Probably won't read the entire thing, but oh, look at those pictures. That'll be very nice. Just quick side note, good places to read to see if it's good as the abstract. And also the conclusion down here above acknowledgements. It'll be like just the last page is always a good place to look. So I would just read the last little bit. Okay, so let's say I want to use this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to email it to yourself. So you click email, type in the email you want. It will send it to your Jordan District email. It'll send the PDF. You can ask it to send your source citation. Click send and voila. You also need to find the source citation. So you click cite over here. And then you take this little bar and you scroll down until you find MLA or whichever one your teacher wants you to use. And then you copy all of this. Copy it, paste it over to the document you need, and you got it. If you add it to Google Drive, for some reason, Ebsco doesn't work when you add it to Google Drive, so just make sure you email yourself this. You can also save it in a folder, but I haven't had experience with it keeping track of it. Just make sure you email and get the source. And there you go. That is Ebsco.